the #1 remedy for cataracts, unlocking natural solutions. But here's the question. What if you could delay or even prevent cataracts naturally? What if there were low-risk, science-backed methods to improve your eye health without invasive procedures?
More and more people are developing cataracts as they age. Typically what a person will do is they may get surgery. Well, sometimes there are complications to that surgery. It's not a complication-free or side effect-free surgical procedure. I mean, in one study, 42% of people who get cataracts develop dry eyes. 20% get the droopy eyelid. And there's other complications like floaters. So personally, I would try more of a natural route first, since they have very little side effects.
In today's video, we'll explore the causes of cataracts, the science behind them, and natural solutions inspired by modern research, traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, and Ayurveda. As a natural healing expert, I believe exploring natural remedies before opting for surgery is a safe choice with fewer side effects, especially when surgery carries significant risks of complications. As an ordinary person, what would you do when faced with the choice of treating cataracts? Would you choose surgery, or would you consider natural healing methods? In this article, I'd like to share my perspective as an individual who has researched traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda from India. I've also consulted modern medical doctors, undergone examinations, and ultimately decided to use natural remedies to care for my eyes when dealing with cataracts. What about you? Leave a comment and watch to see how I applied natural healing methods for cataracts. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable insights to protect your vision and enhance your quality of life. Understanding cataracts, what are they? Cataracts occur when the clear lens of your eye becomes cloudy, reducing your ability to see clearly. Think of the lens as the window of your eye. When this window gets foggy due to protein clumps or oxidative damage, light cannot pass through effectively, leading to blurred vision. Main causes of cataracts. Aging. The most common cause due to decreased antioxidant production as we age. High blood sugar levels. Chronic conditions like diabetes cause oxidative stress in the eyes. UV exposure. Excessive sunlight accelerates oxidative damage to the lens. Lifestyle factors. Diets high in sugar and processed carbs can worsen oxidative stress. The role of oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is like rust forming on metal. Excess sugar in probiotics and kefir improve gut health, which is intricately harmful byproducts called advanced glycation end products. These AGs cause inflammation and oxidative stress, speeding up cataract formation. Your body has natural antioxidants to combat oxidative stress, but as we age, these defenses weaken. Enter dietary antioxidants and natural remedies. Science-backed natural remedies. Antioxidants, probiotics and kefir improve gut health. Carotenoids, linked to inflammation regulation. Found in colorful vegetables like spinach, kale, and carrots. Carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin accumulate in the retina and lens. How they work. These pigments filter harmful blue light, reduce oxidative damage, and lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. 2. Anthocyanins, nature's defense against oxidative stress. Abundant in berries like blueberries, blackberries, and chokeberries, anthocyanins have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Eye strain. The power of a nutrient. 1 cup mixed berries, rich in anthocyanins. How they help. These compounds recycle rhodopsin, a protein in the retina that aids night vision, and relax the ciliary muscle to reduce. 1 cup unsweetened grass-fed kefir, high in probiotics and calcium. Preparation. Blend until smooth, adding water if necessary. Benefits. Probiotics in kefir improve gut health, which is intricately linked to inflammation regulation. Calcium supports lens health. NEC eye drops, a modern solution. N-acetylcarnosine, NEC, mechanism. This antioxidant penetrates the eye's lens to neutralize free radicals and reduce cataracts. Recommendation. Use drops as a preventive measure or alongside natural remedies for early-stage cataracts. Traditional medicine perspectives. 1. Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. TCM links liver health to eye health. Foods like goji berries and chrysanthemum tea nourish the liver and improve vision. 2. Ayurveda, Triphala, an herbal blend, is often recommended for cleansing and rejuvenating the eyes. Ghee eye drops, known as netrabasti, are used to moisturize and protect the eyes. Lifestyle modifications for eye health. 1. Screen breaks. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at an object 20 feet away for 20 seconds. 2. Protective eyewear. Wear sunglasses that block UV rays to reduce oxidative stress. 3. Hydration and sleep. Dehydration and lack of sleep exacerbate eye strain. Cataracts may seem inevitable, but with consistent effort and informed choices, you can reduce your risk or slow their progression. Here's your action plan. 1. Adopt a cataract-friendly diet. Improve gut health. Incorporate carotenoid-rich vegetables, anthocyanin-packed berries, and high-quality kefir into your daily meals. 2. Consider supplements. Try NAC eye drops and consult your healthcare provider about other options like oculotrophine PMG for post-surgical recovery or severe cases. 3. Embrace traditional wisdom. Explore remedies from TCM and Ayurveda, such as goji berries and triphala, to complement modern practices. 4. Protect your eyes daily. Implement screen breaks, wear UV-blocking sunglasses, and maintain a healthy sleep schedule. By blending modern science with ancient wisdom, you're not just treating your eyes, you're embracing a holistic approach to health and longevity. Final thoughts. Cataracts don't have to define your future. With the right knowledge and proactive steps, you can protect your vision and enjoy life to its fullest. Natural remedies, combined with smart lifestyle choices, offer a low-risk, high-reward alternative to surgery. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into natural health and wellness. Let me know in the comments, what's your approach to maintaining eye health? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.